All right. Let me get it.
Okay, let me go. Are we ready for this shit?
One time. One time. One time. One time. One time. One time.
Another beautiful day. Woke up, decided to go for a quick 20, 30-minute walk before I record the podcast. And we're going to hit pretty much just a chest and tricep day. So it should be a good day. All right. Let's see how the day goes. More love, more success.
What's up, party people? It's your boy Jay, weighing in at 199.6 pounds, which not too bad. It's kind of been what we've been averaging. You know, we broke that 200 mark, and then it seemed like we haven't been able to break that 197. So I've decided that I'm going to do 2 back-to-back 36-hour fasts. I'll explain later in the video how I'm going to do it. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling confident. I'm not going to wait. This is going to be the last time I weigh myself in until Friday when right before I eat again. And the goal is to get down to 194. And yeah, I'll talk about it here for a little bit. All right, I just got back from another 45-minute walk. Quick little warm-up before I hit my chest and tricep days. That's an hour of walking already. Then I'll probably do another 45 minutes after I finish working out. But I think what I'm going to do to end the month and to get as close to my goal as possible while still eating 1 meal a day, I think I'm going to do 2 36-hour fasts. Now, I could use it. I could use the detox, the autophagy, all of it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to eat tonight. I'm going to work out tomorrow morning and then eat. The goal is to be finished eating by 9 a.m. And then I will do a 36 hours from 9 a.m. Tuesday morning till 9 p.m. about Wednesday night. That will give me 36 hours. I will then eat again Wednesday night and Thursday morning. My goal would be to finish with a 36-hour dry fast from Thursday morning, 9 p.m. till Friday night. Let me just make sure that's the right date. Yeah, until Friday night. That way we can end the month as strong as possible. And if I can break down to that 195, my goal would be to hit that 194. And I don't want to weigh in for any of those because sometimes weighing in a lot, to each their own. I've been weighing in every day, and I just want to grind hard as I can and not get any kind of result or anything until the Friday, until the end of the month. That way I just can push a little harder in my mind and I don't have to be so calculated. So I think that's going to be the goal. And so we'll keep it fairly clean tonight, have a little bit of carbs, and then tomorrow I think I'll go straight kind of only meat, and then gearing up for the 36-hour fast, the dry fast, the second time, I think I will do the same. Only have meat. We'll have a little bit of carbs tonight, and then tomorrow we'll have just vegetables and meat, and then we'll do the 36-hour fast, and then I plan to have vegetables and meat, wake up in the morning, have vegetables and meat, and then do another 36-hour dry fast. And that should get us pretty close to that 194 range. My goal would be to try to get down as close to 190 as possible, but that's a lot. That's still, about 8 pounds. 7 pounds if we're using my lowest weight, but it's about 8 pounds, which I don't know if we'll be able to do that in this short amount of time, but that's my goal for the next few days, to get down as low as possible. If we can break down to that 194, I'll consider it a success. So yeah, okay, I'm about to go hit a workout. More love, more success. All right, today's workout was super simple. I did just a ton of sets of incline push-ups. I think I did somewhere between 8 to 10 sets. I just brought every single set to failure. Here I do, I think 20 something, if not 30. And then, my next set I did 20, 20, 20, 20, 15, 15, 10, 10. Then I just did some overhead tricep extensions to failure. I did 3 or 4 sets of those. And then sat in the sauna. Simple, beautiful workout. I'm getting hyped for the fast. Oh. All right, this is pre-chest pump. Oh, I'm feeling it right now. You can really tell my chest is leaning out, my arms, my traps, my back. Whew. Let's go. You can even tell my forearms getting so much leaner. Can't really tell on the camera. You can tell a lot on this arm. Getting very lean. Let's go. These fasts, I mean, again, with the fasts, I hope to get down below 194. I think we're gonna do it. I just got finished my workout. I was just thinking, it's interesting. I've kind of been at this plateau of 199, give or take 1 or 2 pounds, for a little while. And I remember years and years ago when I was training at World Health, personal trainer, and my goal was to break 200 pounds. And this was years and years and years ago. It's got to be after I was done competing, like, you know, probably like 7 or 8 years ago. I competed about 10 years ago. And I remember that was my plateau too, just trying to eat to break that 199. And I just remember having to eat so much food and force feed myself and try to break that 200 pounds. It's funny that now, you know, I just thought it was funny. I remember that being the sticking point going up, and now it's kind of the sticking point going down. So yeah, this will be cool to hit this these couple 36-hour fasts and break this fucking plateau. It's interesting. I just thought I would share because I thought that was a fascinating fact I was just thinking about. So yeah, so I'm gonna eat tonight, work out in the morning. I actually decided to move my sauna session too until after I eat. So I'm gonna eat in a couple more hours and hop in the sauna, and then I'll wake up, work out, eat, and then do a 36-hour fast, eat Wednesday night. Yeah, okay. I'm hype, y'all. Okay, the next thing y'all should see is my meal for tonight. Let's get it. All right, people, this is what I got for dinner tonight. I'm only having 2 of those pieces of salmon, but 2 of those pieces of salmon are 160 calories, 34 grams of protein. I got that little thing of chicken over there, 730 calories, 85 grams of protein. I'm going to double scoop that protein powder, 240 calories, 50 grams of protein. We got about 200 calories of fruit. We got about 200 calories of vegetables there with the Brussels sprouts, and that little dish there got tomatoes and cucumbers, a little bit of cheese, for a total of 1,600 calories and 170 grams of protein. I killed it today. And then we're going to eat one more time tomorrow morning, so stay tuned for that too. More love, more success.